This book is a journey into an idea that changes the world, the idea that a river is alive. It explores the histories, people, places, and futures of that idea and others in its family, that a forest might think, for instance, or a mountain remember. It asks what happens if we take seriously the idea of a river's aliveness. What does such a recognition mean for perception, law, and politics? It is an attempt to imagine water otherwise. Is a River Alive unfolds across three main landscapes. First, an Ecuadorian cloud forest named Los Cedros, the forest of the cedars, home to the headwaters of the Rio Los Cedros, the river of the cedars. Second, the wounded creeks, lagoons, and estuaries of the watery city of Chennai in southeast India. And third, the wild interior of Nitassinan, homeland of the Innu people, through which runs the Muteshikau Shipu, also known as the Magpie River, who makes seafall at the Gulf of St. Lawrence, 600 miles northeast of Montreal. Each of these places has become a focus for revolutionary thinking about what the philosopher Michel Serres called the natural contract. Each is a place where rivers are understood in some fundamental way to be alive, and in each place, too, the survival of rivers is under severe threat, in Ecuador from mining, in India from pollution, and in Nitassinan from dams. Water is speaking, noted the Scottish writer Nan Shepherd. But what is it saying? Everywhere I travelled, I asked people the same question. What is the river saying? This is an old-growth question. It has been around a long time. The answers I received were beautiful, cryptic, troubling, and illuminating. What all share is a recognition that we live in a polyphonic world, but also one in which the majority of Earth's inhabitants, human and other than human, are denied voice. To be silenced is not the same as to be silent. To go unheard is not the same as to be speechless. No landscape speaks with a single tongue. I wish to say plainly and early that this book was written with the rivers who run through its pages. Among them the Rio Los Cedros, the Adyar, the Kuum, the Cossas d'Alayar, the Muteshikau Shipu, the mighty St. Lawrence, and the clear-watered stream who flows unnamed from the spring that rises at 9 Wells Wood, a mile from my house, and who keeps time across the pages that follow. They are my co-authors. One morning, when we were walking to school together, my son Will asked me the title of the book I was writing. Is a River Alive? I told him. Well, duh, that's going to be a short book then, Dad, he replied, because the answer is yes.